Hello everyone, welcome back to Earning with Bits. Today I will be doing a Doge coin withdrawal from RollerCoin. When you sign into RollerCoin, you will have your dashboard on your left and your coin list on the top right next to your avatar. In the last video we withdrew Matic and the withdrawal took only a few days to go through. I have reached the 236 coin withdrawal limit. So let's go ahead and take out our coins. On the top right, select your wallet icon, then choose Doge from the list of coins. Let's quickly check our Matic withdrawal history. As you can see, our last withdrawal of 50 Matic has been sent to my wallet. Now go to Dogecoin and withdraw the same way we withdrew Matic. Put in the amount you want to take out, and then enter the confirmation code sent to your mail. Great, we're done. Let's see how long it takes to go through. In the meantime, let's check out how to upgrade and buy new miners. Go to your dashboard and select Marketplace. It's under Store. The Store is where you buy newly released miners. The Marketplace has older miners that are being resold by other players. In the Marketplace, look for miners that have the most amount of power but cost the least amount of roller tokens. You want as many petahash as you can get for your tokens. Do not buy miners from the store because they're overpriced. Come to the Marketplace and buy your miners here. If you arrange the miners by cost, look for the cheapest miner with the most petahashes. Do not buy miners with gigahashes. They have very little power and are worthless. Tune in next time for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.